Okay, we're out at the soccer field here. I've got the little P-51D Mustang that I recently unboxed in one of my recent videos. The wind is shifting all around, but I think it's coming from over there. So I'll launch this way. Whoa, the elevator is kind of weird. I would say touchy, but then it's not. It's weird. Well, it's aerobatic, all right. Oh, the elevator's kind of weird. I'm not sure, but well, it flies. That's important. All right, so I've been flying it a little more, and I've been getting used to it. And a few things about it is that one, being a low wing, of course, with very little dihedral, it does want to roll over a lot. I mean, that's to be expected. It's kind of how it was built. I mean, the idea was for it to be aerobatic, you know. Another thing is that the elevator is small, and because of the short moment, you need to turn the travel up to 150 to make it really do anything. That's 150 right there, and I actually might change the control horn push rod setting right here, move it farther in because it needs more throw. So yeah, wants to roll over, elevator's touchy, rudder surprisingly turns it really well. I was surprised. I thought it would just kind of spiral in with rudder, but it turns pretty nicely. Okay, wind is coming from there, so I'll launch it this way. Actually slow down pretty well too. Almost got it. No, anyway, thanks for watching.